The all-new dēzl Dualview rugged side camera system gives professional truck drivers an edge on situational awareness. Coming with two small cameras, mount to a flat surface or side view mirrors on the driver and passenger side of your truck. When paired to a compatible dēzl head unit or tablet, you'll be able to see your blind spots on both sides. The dēzl Dualview camera system is purpose-built for life on the road. Its rugged, weather-resistant IPX7 rated design withstands the effects of pressure washers and exposure to fuels, chemicals, sunlight, rain, and other harsh environmental conditions. The dēzl Dualview shows a live view down both sides of your truck to increase awareness of encroaching traffic. In case of an unexpected incident, automatic incident recording in 1080p HD captures proof of what happened. When paired with a dēzl OTR navigator or GPS-enabled dash cam, you'll be able to see location, speed, date, and time data overlaid on your video to know exactly when and where events occurred. Have the ability to prove what happened at any time with a recording saved to a microSD card. You can also save recordings to Garmin Vault. This lets you review your recordings at any time, anywhere. And don't worry about not having enough space, since there's no size limit on the amount of data you can store in Garmin Vault. Stay vigilant of your surroundings with the dēzl Dualview rugged side camera system. For more information, see Garmin.com.